Welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
Launching another mighty salvo in the horsepower wars, the 2021 Porsche 911 Turbo and Turbo S are poised to up the ante with up to 640 horsepower. High-output sports cars such as the 577 HP Mercedes-AMG GTR, the 602 HP Audi R8, and the 631 HP Lamborghini Huracan Evo are all rivals to both 911 turbos, but none of them come with the same heritage and storied history. With coupe and cabriolet body styles, they offer similar standard and optional equipment as lesser 911 models but are powered by a more powerful twin turbocharged 3.7-liter flat-six engine located, where else? In the rear. While the 2021 911 turbos are very expensive, their incredible performance and divine driving nature are worthy of our editor's choice list. Based on the new for 2020 992 generation Porsche 911, the 2021 911 Turbo and Turbo S models are all new. To unlock the entirety of the 3.7-liter six-cylinder 640 horsepower, you'll need to spring for the Turbo S model. While the drop-top cabriolet version is enticing, we take the coupe for its purity of purpose. In addition to its tremendous power and standard performance upgrades, every Turbo S comes with 18-way adjustable sport seats, 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Bose surround sound stereo, carbon fiber interior trim, and Porsche's Sport Chrono package. Engine, transmission, and performance hanging out in the rear of both the Turbo and Turbo S is a twin turbocharged 3.7-liter flat-six engine that makes up to 640 horsepower in the more powerful of the two variants. The regular turbo model makes 572 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard and shifts are handled by an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Porsche claims a 0 to 60 mph time of 2.6 seconds for the Turbo S, but at our test track it blasted to 60 in just 2.2 seconds. Aside from the explosive acceleration, the 911 Turbo exhibits insane levels of cornering grip and strong brakes to boot, making it a true performance powerhouse. Fuel economy estimates from the EPA are 15 mpg city and 20 mpg highway. We haven't been able to perform our 75 mph highway fuel economy test, but we'll update this story with test results when we do. For more information about the 911 Turbo's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. As with all 911 models, the Turbo and Turbo S are technically four-seaters, although the rear seats aren't usable by adults. The cabin mirrors that of the entry-level 911 Carrera models but with racier trim, more expensive options, and plenty of standard technology features such as a reconfigurable digital gauge display. The 911 comes with a front trunk which holds two carry-on suitcases and the rear seat backs fold forward to create a large flat cargo area in the coupe model. In our testing, we were able to fit 6 carry-on cases behind the front seats. Thanks for watching.